Welcome to Daily Fix Guide. And in this video, we're going to talk about Wealthsimple. Is it worth your money? So if you're thinking about investing with Wealthsimple in 2025, here's everything that you will need to know, from the features, fees, and if it's worth it as well. First of all, Wealthsimple is a Canadian-based investment platform. It offers robo-advisors, stock and crypto trading, tax-free saving accounts, and also personalized financial planning. And it's made for beginners and also hands-off investors. So some of the key features that it has, it's simply the Wealthsimple Invest. It has automated investing with low fees. And for the Wealthsimple trade, you will be able to buy and sell stocks and ETFs commissions free. Wealthsimple Crypto, we will be able to trade 50 plus crypto assets, and they have the roundup where you will be able to auto invest spare change from your purchases as well, and no accounts minimum. You can start as little as $1 as well. So for the fees and pricing, Wealthsimple Invest, it will basically, the fees will be 0.5% fee or 0.4 with $100K and plus. Of course, for the Wealthsimple trade, so the first one was for Wealthsimple Invest. For the Wealthsimple Light trade, they have no commission for stocks and ETFs, and the FX fees are 1.5% on US trades. And for crypto fees, it will be around from 1.5 to 2% per transaction. And of course, it's transparent pricing and there are no hidden fees. So if we want to talk about the pros and cons, for the pros, basically, it's very simple. And it is, of course, beginner friendly. It has no accounts minimum and it's all in one platform, like stocks, crypto, TFSA, and everything. For the cons, it has basically no advanced like trading tools and it's only limited in US market access. And of course, the FX fees for USD trades as well. So you'll be able to see here the benefits and things after an example. Even you can compare the plans and stuff like that. So as you said, you can start as little as $1. So as a final verdict, Wealthsimple is great for passive investors, Canadian users, or anyone just starting out. It's not ideal if you are an active day trader or you need basically global markets. So is this worth your money? For most beginners, yes. And if you want basically to do something more advanced, maybe it's not the option for you. So leave in the comment down below if that's the option that you will use. So thank you for watching and goodbye.